my name is Shantal. Today we're making some slime. So the first ingredient that you need is glue. This is optional, but if you want to, you can use lotion. If you want to, maybe you can use baby oil. And the food coloring is optional, and the glitter it's optional too. You don't have to add it to it. So you need a bowl and a spoon. I'll be showing you later. So let's start making slime. So the first ingredient you need is glue. So let's pour it into the bowl. So how much you pour, how much slime that you're gonna have. So after you wanna mix, so you can see if there's anything in the glue or anything. So first, now we're gonna start pouring our lotion, if that's optional. So it can make it smoother and softer and stretchier. And the baby lotion, it gives a shine to the slime and it makes it stretchier, but I don't want to add it right now. So we're gonna start mixing it in. So after you're done mixing, you can add your food coloring or your glitter or whatever you want to add. So I'm adding this I'm using the gel type food coloring. You can add paint, whichever one you like. So I'm gonna start. So how much you pour is how much you're gonna get. I only want a little bit because I don't want it really dark. So yeah, that's what you need. So then you just want to mix it, and if you don't like the color, then you just have to add more and more until you like it, but I want to really light. So then you just mix until you get the color that you want. So I really like this color. So now we're gonna use activator. I use borax. You don't have to use borax. You can use Tide or Gaines, but I like borax. So let's activate it. The minute you pour it, it's gonna turn into slime. So you wanna try to add just like a little bit at a time, because it's gonna go hard if you just add all of it. You see, when like you start, it just starts to turn. And at a point, you just wanna like to put your hands in, but when it's like ready, and you wanna like do the thing, and like when it's done, you wanna like put your finger, and if it's like way too sticky to hold it, then you don't want to play with it in your hands. So you can add a little more activator if it's not ready yet. But if you add too much, it may go bad. It may go hard. So you don't need that much. Like with like that I pour, you don't need any more or any less. Like with that is good. And you know when it's starting to get ready because it starts to like come up the bowl. So now you're gonna have to get your hands in it and dirty. So let's go. So you wanna start mixing the slime up. It is gonna get dirty because it's slime, right? And you make it with glue, so it won't be as clean. So if like it needs more activator, then you want to add more activator, but mine just need a little bit of mixing. So yeah, let's just start mixing. It's gonna go good, like it is not working, but it is. You just have to keep mixing and adding more activator, because right now it is slime, but it's just a little bit sticky. This is my slime after we finish making, and you have to mix for a while for it to get like this texture. It is really good. I'm I'm just saying if you want to add lotion because it makes it more stretchy, it makes it better, and I like the color, and I think it's really stretchy, really nice. So this is borax. In some places they don't sell borax because it has an ingredient that in some places they don't sell it. So if you don't find it, then use Tide or Games. This is my basic video on slime. In the next video, I'm gonna be making some butter slime that you need Model Magic clay for the next slime. And in the next video, I'm making fluffy slime. Like and subscribe, and see you another day.